The Nike Air Force 1 Low LX Multi-Swoosh brings fresh energy to Bruce Kilgore's iconic design, even as overall production numbers tighten. Big-name athletes like LeBron James, Morant, and the late Kobe Bryant continue to highlight the timeless appeal of AF1s, keeping the silhouette firmly in the spotlight. This upcoming colorway builds on past favorites such as the pink foam and pink russet editions, carrying over the signature mini silver swoosh grid along the quarter panel, a key detail fans instantly recognize. Premium off-white leather, a lightly tinted gum sole, and deep red accents along the midline create a clean, seasonal-ready look perfect for collectors and everyday wearers alike. Sneaker fans can expect the Air Force 1 Low LX Multi-Swoosh to arrive on Nike.com and select retailers as we head into the spring 2026 release cycle. Stay tuned for more official photos and drop updates.